All right, listen up. Today I am putting the 60 volt 42-inch zero turn on the bench. Let's see what this is made of. Hear it? That's pure electric power. No choke cords, no oil slicks, none of that old school mess. Turn the key and you're off. Simple as that. These levers help you with precision control, pivot tight around objects in your way, and that 42-inch deck, it lays down clean cut in one pass. No half measures here. And here's the real win. One battery platform runs 75 plus different tools. Blowers, trimmers, drillers, you get it all. And no juggling different chargers. Bottom line, this mower was made tough, clean, and quiet. No gas headaches and no mess. Just straight up performance that you can trust. Get yours today, and let's get to work.